guys, welcome back. I'm Kezia. If you're new, I do hair reviews, lifestyle stuff, and pretty much whatever else I want to do. If that sounds good to you, maybe think about subscribing at the end of this video. But for now, we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig. From Elva Hair Body Wave Ombre Wig, and she is gorgeous, as you guys can see. The highlights on this wig is absolutely stunning. This wig is 22 inches and it is 150 density. I did decide to cut the curtain bangs into this wig. I think I love it more now. This wig is called the Yonce wig. It is 150 density. It's actually a 13x6 lace front wig. I do have it secured. Now I did secure this wig off camera, and this time I wanted to focus on the styling portion of this hair. So it definitely worked out for me. I love these curtain bangs. Now when you're cutting curtain bangs, I like to go in an angle, and I like to do sliding method as I'm cutting the hair to give it more like of a layered look. It is in the body wave texture, and I think it holds a curl really well. As you guys can see, it looks beautiful. She's gorgeous, like super soft, super like healthy looking. As you guys can see, like it's just effortless. My hands are running through this hair like a butter. So guys, I'm gonna leave all the information about this wig in the description box for you. Again, this wig is from Elva Hair. It's definitely one of my new favorite wigs. I did pluck the hairline. I did bleach the knots on this wig as well. My final thoughts about this wig: she's gorgeous. She's so comfortable. Like I don't even feel it on my head. Definitely recommend. 10 out of 10 recommend. I would definitely say that this wig is Caviar Kez approved. That being said, you guys, I gotta run. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Bye guys.